you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are of course diving in to the Lush kitchen subscription box for the month of April. You guys might have seen my last video where I sat and unboxed the extra large box, which was ever so kindly gifted to me from Lush. However, did I then go ahead and cancel my shower box? No, I didn't. So we have got the Lush shower box for the month of April, which I did keep, and we are going to unbox together. I just feel like some of you guys might not have baths, you might not want to spend as much as the extra large box costs. I don't know, I just thought, you know what, let's keep it, let's unbox it for the gang, and that is exactly what we're going to do in today's video. So this one I paid for myself, the other one was gifted, just to be completely transparent. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So obviously I have already unboxed the extra large box, meaning I do know what's inside here. However, I am still very excited to share this with you guys because this box is so good. I love the theming, I love the scents, and I just can't wait to go through it with you. So this is what the box looks like. We have got a very fun, different jungle theme for this box. This is what she looks like up close. I absolutely love it. We've got bananas, we've got monkeys, we've got coconut, avocado. I just feel like this packaging is so suited to the items inside. So let's unbox it and see what we have in here. So as you guys know, there are 3 different options for the Lush box. You've got shower, you've got bath, or you have got the extra large box, and I always go for shower only because I do love a bath bomb, don't get me wrong, but I just find they kind of build up quicker for me because I have showers more often, so I feel like they were just kind of getting wasted, do you know what I mean? So that is why I go for shower. However, I would love to know down below, if you do get the subscription box, which one do you go for? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so the first item we have in this box is the Fantabulosa shower gel. This is absolutely beautiful. Again, Lush always go to town with the packaging. I never expect anything less because they always make it just suit the boxes every single month. So on the front of this one, it says, "Are you the type that likes to stand out from the crowd? Say no more. Freshen up in a fruity and fierce and unapologetically fabulous suds." In my last video, I could not say unapologetically for the life of me for ages, but I managed to smash it that time. Anyway, ingredients wise in this one, we have got chamomile blue oil, we've also got labdanum resinoid, oak moss extract, and violet leaf extract. So if you guys know me and you've been around for a while, you will know that oak moss is not my favourite. Oak moss and me, we don't really go hand in hand. I never usually like products that have oak moss in it. However, this smells insane. It smells so good. The fruitiness is so much more overpowering. It's so fresh, and it smells like something we've had before and I don't know what it is, and it's actually annoying me. Any of you guys can tell me what this smells like, please? I am begging you, let me know down below because I have no idea, but it's so good and fresh. It kind of smells like something you would have at Christmas time and I don't know why. But yeah, that is what the bottle looks like. Again, absolutely beautiful, and if you want to have a read of the ingredients, you are more than welcome as well. I'm really struggling to read all the ingredients because I don't know what they've done differently now, but they kind of put the, I don't know if it's in a different language or if I'm just being stupid, but they put what it is and then in brackets it's kind of like a translation or something. So when I read this now, I get a little bit jumbled as to what the ingredients are, but anyway, that is the ingredients. If you want to pause and have a look, you're more than welcome. Also, I feel like this is a colour changing shower gel. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems to change colour. Like if I look at it from over here, it looks green, but if I put it in front of the light, it's red. I don't know, but that is so cool. So that is the first item, and I'm so excited to give this a go. The next item we have is a body scrub, and this is the Rainforest Co-Mingle Body Scrub. And on the front it says, "We foraged a bounty of cleansing tropical fruits and hydrating rainforest butters just for you and your soon to be softened skin." And ingredients wise in this one, we have got things, do you see what I mean? Like how small is that writing? Like I low-key am blind, I swear. In this one we have got cypress oil, we've got carrageenan extract, shea butter, we've got argan oil, capucci butter, we've got vetiver oil, we have got ylang ylang oil. Let's just open it up and give it a smell. I love the texture of this. It's like a whipped body scrub. I don't know if it's all the butters in there. It's kind of like a body lotion scrub in one. I don't know, it looks so good. It's so good. It smells like jungle, I think, which used to be a conditioner. It's delicious. It's really taking me back. It's fresh. It's kind of giving garden, but like not too gardeny to the point where it's like horrible. It's very fresh. Green is probably how I describe it. Clean, green, fresh, but like not too green where it smells like moss. Do you know what I mean? But that is the next item in the box, and I'm really, really glad that we got this one in the shower box as well, because it's just such a lovely smelling thing. I cannot wait to try it, honestly. I'm very excited about that. The next item we have is a shower jelly, and that is the Amazonian shower jelly. And on this one it says, big, bold and beautiful, grounding patchouli and uplifting ylang ylang oils ensure that you're left feeling confident and in charge. Now go get 'em, tiger. And this is what it looks like. Again, the packaging is beautiful. The colour of this one is so vibrant. I absolutely love it. And in terms of ingredients in this one, we have got patchouli oil, ylang ylang oil, orange flower extract. We've also got orange blossom extract and gardenia extract, and also tangerine juice. That is what's in this one. And let's give it a smell and see. Yeah, again, this smells very familiar to something we've had before. It's not my favourite smell. I'm going to be completely honest. This one isn't my favourite because it kind of smells like chocolate orange, but also there's like a hint of something else, like gardeny and woodsy. I don't know if anyone else is getting that. The orange is very strong, I will admit. Like the overall kind of smell is like orange, but there is like a, I don't know, like a florally woody smell. I don't know if it's the gardenia extract maybe. I'm not sure, but that is what it looks like. So vibrant. And to be honest with you, looking at it, I would say it should smell like Brightside. That is just me going off the colour, but I'm very excited about that. And I love a good shower jelly. I actually tend to cut them up and put them in a little like sieve or something and use them as bubble baths. So that I'm very excited to try. And lastly, we have the two naked products of the box. So the first one is this. This is the Banana Moon soap, which I believe is the same design as, was it the Father's Day soap that smelled like Space Girl and it was blue and it had a moon in it? I don't really get the like moon thing, like the banana moon thing, unless it's a name of something. I just don't know what it is. I have no idea. This is so moisturizing though. Like, it's very soft on my hands. Oh, it just smells incredible. If you like those foodie kind of smells and you like banana, like, you will really, really enjoy this one. So in terms of ingredients, we have got things like rapeseed oil, we've got coconut oil, we've also got fresh banana, we have got labdanum resinoid, soya milk, oh no, soy yogurt, sorry. Oh, it's just so good. And again, it's like so rich and thick and moisturizing. Oh, it's so delicious. But this is what she looks like up close. And again, I just love with the banana ones, like the fresh banana ones, you can kind of see like all the banana seeds in it. I don't know. Oh, it's just so delish. I feel like I could eat that. Oh, yum, yum. And last but definitely not least, we have got this item. So this is the King Coconut Body Butter. Now this is a solid body butter, so you can use this one out of the shower and, oh, do you use it in the shower? Hold up, does it actually tell me? You use it in the shower. Why did I not read that last time? So it's basically kind of like a King of Skin or the solid Rose Argan. Oh, I love it more now. Because like I was thinking of using this like out the shower, and I'm just not an out of shower moisturizer kind of gal. I wish I was, and I should be, but I'm not. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So this one has things inside like fresh banana. We've also got cocoa butter. We have got almond oil, benzoyl resinoid, vetiver oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil. It's basically full of oils and butters. Basically, like, it is so oily and buttery that my fingers are literally melting it, but it's so good. The only way I can describe the scent of this one is like sun cream. Like, it's a very sun creamy smell. Does that make sense? Like, it just smells like a holiday. But that is delicious. And I love the design of this one. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like this is the same design as the old Jungle Conditioner, which I feel looks like that. Unless I'm going crazy, but I feel like that's the same design. Oh, it's just so good, and it's melting my fingers. Oh my goodness. So those are all of the items in the shower box for the month of April. Now, I would love to know down below, would you like me to do this again in May and June? Because I believe Lush are planning to send me May's box and June box. I might be wrong, but I think they said the next 3 months, which I'm so excited about. But would you guys like to see me unbox both boxes as separate videos? Shall I do it in one video? I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. And also, I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on the box. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did you get it? Let me know all that information down below. But that is everything for today's video. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.